Welcome back, everybody. Let me show you this ceiling fan. Let's turn on that on summer first. So it's downdraft. Here's low. The light doesn't work. No joke. Let me just pull it. I'm not gonna take that down. I would show you it, but let's turn it on medium. Spinning pretty good. And high. And blows a really good amount of air. Like, this is why I like this fan. It blows a really good amount of air. Oh, look at that. There's a ceiling fan on my foot. The reason it's on my bed, I had to do some more work and getting some stuff done. As you see, I've done my closet, but let's get back to this fan. It's a pretty good fan. Let's reverse it. Let's flip the reverse switch. It's usually on reverse. Low. Speed it up. I have no time to wait, so I got some work to do to some stuff. I'm redoing my closet today. We're in lockdown. COVID. Everyone knows COVID is annoying. Medium. And high. Jeez. It's a good size fan for this room. I was originally going to have this fan in my room. It had cane blades. This is a Hugger. It's the Hubbable Breezeway. That one was originally going to go up there. If this fan breaks in the future, I will replace it. Above the fan. And off. Spin down. These are not reversible blades, by the way. I only have one set that's reversible, which is the cane blades for that fan there. That thing over there. Let's stop that. Now it's off. Yeah. I did clean it yesterday. I just dusted it down. Fly poop on it. That fly poop's been up there since the summer. Got this fan over summer. Now let's do one more spin on summer. Low. I'm gonna actually spin it up. Most fans have a slow start to them. This has actually got 6 blades. It's a good fan. Medium. And high. Yeah, it blows so much air. It was wobbling yesterday. The reason why is it's the downrod and the downrod ball had popped out. The downrod ball had popped out of its notch and the downrod head came loose. That's alright. I tightened the downrod up and put the downrod ball back into its spot. You should never ever ever have a loose downrod, because the fan will fall if it continues with a loose downrod. Here's the top of the fan. And I'm going to turn it off. It's freezing. I'm going to turn it back this way. I have done 2 videos today. One on the closet, which is right here. When I'm talking about the notch, is this little notch here. If this is popped out, the fan will wobble. I'm not going to pop it out because it bends it. This is popped out, and the blades to this fan right here. I screwed all the blades to the wall. Blade arms. I actually call them blade brackets. Mounting brackets. This box is for screws, like if you take these ones out, or you take this cap off, or you unscrew it from up here, you take 2 screws out. These 2 screws on both sides, you don't have to undo them. So it makes it really hard to hold the fan up. And then you have the rainbow blades. 2 rainbow blades, one of them broke. The blade arm broke. This blade bracket here is broken. I actually have the other half to it. It's in that homemade cupboard. Doesn't look that good, but it's okay. I'm just going to repaint it. It'll look good for now. The door kind of looks like crap at the moment. That one there, I'm going to close it up eventually. I actually put a screw in there, so I'm actually going to close this. Yeah, the reason I just paused the video is I had to screw this in. That door has to stay shut, because if that's not in, when I close this door, it'll just swing open. But sometimes when I have that, so my paint looks like crap. This is just temporary. I'm going to sand this door down anyway and repaint it. Paint it the color that's under here.